Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Friday, yes, it's Friday, November the 11th, 2022, almost weekend. And I've already done one puzzle, the Sudoku Light, regular puzzle. So one puzzle is left, regular puzzle, the Sudoku Heavy, and today's is a single day. Yes, single day. In Asia, it's the Black Friday. Yes, as you know, the Black Friday, a lot of discounts with with all products. Yes, all products. But in Asia, this day is very all the people buys electronics on this day. They save all the money for today. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, but half of them I will solve. But first, let me continue with the Sudoku Heavy number 5464. 5464. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, my time limit, yes, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 3 stars? I don't know. We will see if this is really a 3 stars. So let's get started. By the way, 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for this 3 stars puzzle, Sudoku Heavy, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here, how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. All right, 4 twos. 2 threes, 1 4, 4 fives. All right. 2 sixes, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. All right, so the 2s and 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Let me see. No, I don't think so. It's yeah. How about the 5s? Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 5. I need more information. All right. Okay. Let me scan. One. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. All right. Okay. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1. Okay, the 1 in this row, the 1. Oh wait, let me continue with the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. How about the 5 now? Yeah, I can continue with the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the third row. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the second column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay, how about the 2 now? 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Still cannot continue with the 2. 2, 2. Well, not true, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the last column. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2. No, I cannot continue with the 2. How about, let me see. I'm thinking. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 3. And a 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. All right, 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. All right. 1 in the last row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Let me see. 4 and 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8, 7, 6. 8, 7, 6. Come on. 6, 6. 5, 1, 8. Need an 8. 8. 8, 8. 8 and come on. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row, the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 3. Well, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the last row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Let me mark those. 7 and 4. Okay. 7, 4. One of the missing number in these 3 boxes is the 4 in this big square. 4 and a 3. Well, 3 and a 4. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 4 in one of these 3 boxes in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, 2, 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Still need a 2 there. A 2 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 6 and 8. Okay. 4. But 3. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Yes, one of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Then 4 and 8. Okay, 1, 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 4. This can be a 3, we have a 3 there. So 1 and a 4, but we already have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. So 1 digit left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and a 4. Well, we have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes here. Alright. 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Two missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third column now. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. One box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the final two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, 3 stars. Don't think so. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on in the evening, and we'll do the rest of the additional in today's newspaper. So have a great and fantastic Friday. If you don't like the puzzles in additional, well, then I will see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.